Claude Code versions 2.1.21 through 25. 4 releases in 48 hours, 19 bug fixes, 4 new features, 3 improvements. Here's everything that changed. Enterprise networking is now fully supported. mTLS certificates and client authentication work out of the box. Corporate proxies no longer block requests. Per-user temp directory isolation prevents permission conflicts on shared servers. Bedrock and Vertex gateway users get proper beta header validation. CI/CD pipelines are now reliable. Structured outputs work correctly in non-interactive mode with the -p flag. Session resume no longer crashes when interrupted during tool execution. Ripgrep search timeouts now report errors instead of failing silently. Prompt catching race conditions that caused 400 errors are eliminated. VS Code integration improvements. Python virtual environments now auto-activate. The extension detects your venv and ensures Python and pip use the correct interpreter. Windows file search is fixed, message action button styling is corrected. Model options now show correct region strings for Bedrock users. Developer experience updates. Progress indicators now show reading while in progress and read when complete. Claude prefers built-in read, edit, and write tools over bash equivalents like cat, z, and awk. Tab completion properly updates the input field when accepting suggestions. Task management. You can now delete tasks via task update tool. Task IDs no longer get reused after deletion. Auto-compact timing is fixed for models with large output limits. Shell completion cache files are no longer truncated on exit. Quality of life. Japanese IME users get full width number input in option prompts. Custom spinner verbs via the spinner verbs setting. Terminal rendering is faster with optimized screen data layout. Bash commands show timeout duration alongside elapsed time. Merge pull requests display a purple status indicator. Under the hood. Async hooks in headless streaming sessions now properly cancel. No more zombie processes. The race condition with prompt caching scope is eliminated. API errors when resuming interrupted sessions are fixed. Update now. Run Claude update to get version 2.1.25. 62,000 developers on GitHub. Subscribe for release updates.